All right, so this is a ReVessel, Your Food Anywhere. So this is super cool. So I don't know if you saw the Kickstarter Indiegogo campaign. They're on Kickstarter, then I think they're on In Demand for just a minute. But let's open this up and look at the future of storing your food. I think this is like the future of lunchboxes. I believe it's called like a bento. But let's open this up. So first things first. As we open it up, we can see that this is really efficient packaging. So if you're into like the plastic free movement, these guys are absolutely crushing it. I know for them, like they don't want any plastic anywhere because it's toxic and bad for them. They've got a really powerful backstory. You can read about it on their Kickstarter page. But I talked to the guy, and one thing that I learned that I thought was really cool was the fact that literally all of their packaging is plastic free, and when it's shipped, so like they've got different parts from different manufacturers, and each piece does not have plastic in it. So super cool. So like the actual pieces that touch the food. So let's look at this. Ooh, cool. That looks great. So let's open this up. Other thing you'll notice, if this looks familiar, I believe the team that did their product design actually does camera housings. So of course that feels like a camera housing to me. Ooh, there we go. So here, of course, we've got stainless steel. Look at that. These guys are hardy. That's awesome. So these can all be put in the oven and the dishwasher, which is great. So really hardy. What's cool about this is it has this non-stick, let's see if I hold it there like that. See, it's non-stick. So it's a non-spill lid, a non-stick. But basically, so anywhere you put this container or a container, this will prevent it from spilling. So you don't need to worry about, if you've got this sideways or something like that. This will keep it locked in place, and it will prevent it from spilling all over your backpack and of course all over your other foods, because who likes it when your baked beans get all over your salad. So this will keep everything nice and separate. You've got this really nice bamboo quality top. You could probably use it as a cutting board. This comes off, I believe. Yep. So that comes off, so you can wash it separately. So super cool. But yeah, other things that are really nice about this is I love how this is all stackable. So you can see that. So for all you van life people out there, it's all stackable, really nice. You can kind of put this in to meet your needs, and organize this. Maybe you've got a burrito one day, and a sandwich another. So I love that about this. It also comes with these lids, so you could put lids on this if you're this is gonna put this back in the fridge after you're done eating. But yeah, each piece comes with a lid, and then definitely last but not least, this actually can pop down like that. You can pull this out. You can toss this right in the oven. You can also see the tear weight on there. So if you go into like Whole Foods and you want to pick up some of their pre-cooked food and take of course the weight off so you're not getting charged for it, you can. And then you've got this, just a nice lid for that if you want to put this back in. You cook it in the oven, put it in the fridge, and then take it with you to work. So super cool. Again, this is like the future of lunchboxes. Absolutely love it. Highly recommended. I can't wait. I think they've got a smaller version too for kids, or if you don't eat as much. And really excited to see this move out of crowdfunding onto e-commerce and start getting this in some people's hands.